your business be charging VAT? I'll tell you. I'm Tiffany Rodius. Let's talk tax. A business trading in taxable goods or services that equals or exceeds $15 million is mandated to register with the Guyana Revenue Authority to charge VAT.
What?
This $15 million threshold is the turnover, not profits, that your business is projected to make or made in any 12-month period.
I'm semi, I stay automatic. Money add then multiply. I call it math for math.
If your business does not meet the threshold, you can voluntarily register for VAT.
Really?
Yes. However, you will need to ensure that the business and its location is identifiable, you maintain records, and you demonstrate the intention to make taxable supplies. Here's a rule of thumb any business should follow when it comes to applying for VAT registration.
Go through the exempt supply list. That is the best thing to do. So if your entity or the nature of your service, whatever it is, organization, is not listed, the services you provide or the goods you provide is not listed on the exempt supply list, then you're required to register for VAT. That is the best rule of thumb.
A person who is registered for VAT must charge VAT on all goods and services at the standard rate of 14%, except where the good or service is zero rated or exempted. But it's not just businesses trading in taxable items that are required to apply for VAT registration. Promoters of live entertainment and state agencies are also required to apply for VAT registration. The $15 million threshold does not apply to these types of businesses.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not going to speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
The promoter of any live entertainment is required to apply for VAT registration before their first show, even if it's a one-time show. Similarly, state agencies that are providing taxable activities within their services are also required to apply for VAT registration. Talk Tax will return after these messages. If you are a person with a disability and you are purchasing a vehicle designed for your use, here's some good news. You will be exempt from paying VAT and excise tax for that vehicle. It gets better. If you are converting a vehicle to be used by a person with a disability, that vehicle is also exempted from excise tax and VAT. This will have to be done to the satisfaction of the Commissioner General of the GRA. Welcome back to Talk Tax. We're talking about VAT registration. A person applying for VAT registration has to submit a completed application form along with their business registration and a form of identification. The application form can be uplifted from any GRA office across the country. But if you have not yet acquired your business registration or license for your business, you can still apply for VAT registration. Promoters and state agencies can also use the VAT application forms, but the state agency will have to indicate what the taxable activity it is providing as part of its services.
Well, that's a relief.
A VAT registrant must clearly advertise the amount of tax being charged for the service or item. The price listed must state if it is inclusive or exclusive of the tax. Customers should be made aware beforehand what is the final price they will pay for the selected service or item. A VAT registrant is also required to submit a tax return every tax period within 15 official working days after the end of the period. As an example, the VAT returns for June should be lodged with the GRA within 15 days in July. Remember, holidays and weekends are not counted in the 15 days. You can even lodge your VAT returns online. It is important to note that there are penalties for persons who fail to lodge their returns. There are also penalties for failing to apply for VAT registration. If you would like to know more information on the value-added tax, visit our website or call our tax advisory department. You can also get information on our YouTube and social media pages.